Coastal Craft Film channel. So today we're gonna be unboxing this Yamaha RH50A. It's a professional headphones and it's Amazon exclusive. So let's get started. So here is the headphones. This is the paperwork that came with it, the warranty information, the specifications. There you go. And here's the actual item. This item is really light. It's pretty light. I thought it was going to be heavy, but... And this is the cord. It's coiled. Here's the cord. And as you can see, it's like a little bit curved. So let's try it out. I'm going to try it on my piano. This is going to be used for my piano practices. And here it is. So we're going to try it out here in a little bit. So it perfectly fitted my keyboard here. And I'm going to try it out. So the thing kind of looks small. But let's see if it works good. So here's the adjustment, so you can see here.